Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna go over 3 reasons why affiliate marketers fail. So after you hear this, right, you can take the information, use it, and make sure that you don't fail when you start your affiliate marketing. All right. So reason number 1 why affiliate marketers fail is lack of training. Now, yes, the concept of affiliate marketing is very straightforward, very simple. Basically, you find products and services, you promote them, and for every sale that you generate, you earn a commission. But, right, you need to learn how to do it. You need to learn several aspects of affiliate marketing. You need to know how to do, product research. You need to understand the different commission tiers and all of that stuff. 2-tier commissions, recurring commissions. You need to understand what's really important. You need to understand how to do keyword research. You need to know what kind of content you should be making. You need to know what platforms are best to market the products that you're promoting, right? And this all comes from training. And a lot of times, people jump into affiliate marketing and they don't do any sort of training, right? They just jump right in. And yes, to be honest with you, you can get a lot of information from YouTube and other, forums and stuff like that. But you have to take the time to really, teach yourself, affiliate marketing. Reason number 2 why affiliate marketers fail is because they're not interested in the products they're promoting. Now, yes, I'm sure there's a lot of people out there making money with affiliate marketing. They're promoting stuff that they just, they don't even care about. They don't even like it at all. They don't like the niche or nothing, and they're making money from it. But my experience shows that if you have no interest in what you're promoting, it's just a recipe for failure, because it's mighty hard to get motivated to create content, write articles, make videos, make social media posts about stuff that you don't like or you're not interested in, right? So whatever it is you're promoting, at least starting out, like, have an interest in it. You know what I'm saying? Be into it. Really enjoy it. Even if you're a customer of it, if you use the product, that will make it so much easier to promote. And a lot of times, if you enjoy what you're promoting, it doesn't even feel like work. All right. So make sure you enjoy what you're promoting or have a strong interest in it. And the third reason why affiliate marketers fail is because they quit too damn soon. Right? Because I ain't gonna lie, a lot of times affiliate marketing is promoted to be like a quick fix, make money super fast and all that stuff. And yes, if you grind and you really on it, you can make money really quickly with affiliate marketing. But sometimes it takes a couple weeks. It might take a couple months, depending on what you're promoting, depending on how much effort you're putting in. It might take you 2 months before you get your first commission, right? Or it could take you 2 hours, right? But the point is, you need to go into affiliate marketing really looking at it as a business model and understand that, hey, I'm gonna put all the work in, I'm gonna do what I need to do, and I'm not even expecting to make any money for at least 2 to 3 months, right? With affiliate marketing, I'm not even expecting it, right? Just do what you need to do, grind, and just stick with it. A lot of times, people get involved with affiliate marketing. They get a product, they get their little affiliate link, right? They'll make 1 or 2 YouTube videos. They'll post about it one time on their Facebook. They'll wait like 2 weeks, and then they see they ain't make no sales, and they like, man, the hell with this. Affiliate marketing is a scam. Okay, this is whack. Like, you can't make money with affiliate marketing. And then they be like, I tried. Well, what did you really do, right? What did you really do? Oh, I did a video and I posted once or twice on Facebook. That's not gonna cut it with affiliate marketing. Like, come on. Like, really look at it like a business opportunity. Treat it like a business. Put in the proper time, the effort, and you will see results. All right. Now, if you want to get more training on affiliate marketing and actually learn how you can start earning $50, $150, and even $300 commissions you want to watch this video right here.